I'm so honored to be a part of this today as we dive into a little bit of the science behind this collagen elixir today. So let's talk a little bit about what this is. We're going to talk about collagen. We're going to talk about crazy double nutrient technology. We're going to talk about complementary botanicals and fruits. And we're even going to talk about some of the critical vitamins in here and how this all adds up into delivering a superior product. In fact, as we go into this product today, I just want to set just how much of an innovative product this is. In fact, when I first came at Isagenix, Kathy Coover and Sharon, maybe it was because they saw the way I looked, realized the absolute demand, this was over a year ago, of having a product that is easy to consume, that is powerful, has powerful scientific evidence to support its efficacy, and delivers the beauty support people are looking for in their lives. So, working with the leading collagen experts, not just locally, but globally. In fact, this product has taken over 10 years of research and development, over 200 research and development staff with over 50 doctors being assigned to this product. And it is going to be available for you today. And this revolutionary product speaks volumes of what is setting the stage of collagen's true potential. So let's dive into this. The first thing that I want to address is the marine collagen. Well, before we dive into marine collagen, let's first answer what is collagen. So collagen, believe it or not, is you. Your body, it is the most abundant macro component of your body. Meaning, if you were to break your body apart into the proteins, collagen would be number one by far. Not only does collagen hold kind of our connective tissue, it holds our joints, cartilage, skin, it is the glue that binds us together. And as we age, that cartilage production isn't as efficient. And all of those connective components don't seem to work as well. Now, this is what is so powerful. We have seen through significant scientific research, not just Isagenix, but the scientific community as a whole, that supplementing with a certain type of collagen will actually increase your body's natural collagen production. Now, that's not a blanket statement across all collagen. We have seen it significantly with type 1 collagen. You see, there are different types of collagen. Now, when I say our body is made up of collagen, it's actually made up of several types of collagen. Type 1 is the bulk of that. In fact, if you were to break down all of the collagen in your body, about 80 to 90% of that collagen is type 1. And that's primarily in the skin that is responsible for creating that firmness. Type 2 largely resides in the joints and so forth. 3 and 4 are very small in number. Now, when we supplement, and scientists have shown, if when you supplement with the type 1 collagen, you can actually increase your body's inherent collagen production. Why is it that type 1 is so efficient at helping to increase our own collagen production? Well, it boils down to the fact that when you supplement with collagen, you're actually providing those basic building blocks of what your body needs to make that collagen. That's right. When we think about it, when you supplement with collagen, what you're actually eating is that giant molecule of collagen. And in that molecule of collagen are all of these different amino acids, most notably hydroxyproline, proline, these things that are very rare in other foods that we eat. And so when our body is looking to make its own collagen, it's looking for those building blocks. And so in essence, for us to make the human collagen or type 1 collagen, you need to be supplementing with a type 1 collagen. Now, interestingly, marine collagen is the predominant source of type 1. In fact, you don't see nearly as much type 1 in the other places of chicken or pork. You just don't see it as much. Those predominantly are like your type 2s and so forth. Marine, type 1. And so with this, you can actually see, if you were to laying out the building blocks of marine collagen, and lined it up next to human type 1 collagen, oh, you won't find a better match out there. You're really supplementing with the building blocks your body is looking for. Now, with this, you're not needing to put in a fairy dusting of collagen. In fact, you're needing to make sure that you give a very efficacious dose. And when you look, the amounts that are out there in the publications in the scientific community referencing the benefits of marine collagen, everything from drastically increasing skin elasticity, firmness, helping to remove the wrinkles, you name it, and these are all done by third-party scientists, you see the fact that you're needing at least 4,000, and in many cases, 5,000 milligrams of collagen. Now, that's not easy to do. That's difficult. But at Isagenix, we are not willing to cut corners to say, here's some collagen. In these, we have been able to add 5 grams, 5,000 milligrams of marine collagen. So that supply chain has been worked and figured out at the finite details to make sure that we are giving not only the efficacious amount, but the efficacious quality of that marine collagen as well. But it just doesn't stop there at giving you that collagen levels that have been documented, as I said before, in showing just tremendous benefits in the way in which we look and feel. But the 10 years of research, the 200 scientists that are behind this product have also given an immense amount of additional technology to amplify the benefits. One of those technologies is called double nutrient technology. As they have shown that our body will quickly oxidize molecules. We term this in the biological realm the half-life. So for example, if I take typical vitamin C, my body, you'll see a little bit of a spike of that, but it quickly drops down if you measure that vitamin C level in the serum. That's because your body is oxidizing that vitamin C quickly. And so you're getting a very short time benefit of that vitamin C. What this double nutrient technology provides is it's an emulsification followed by an encapsulation. So the emulsification is a process to where you can take different compounds and nutrients, water-soluble and fat-soluble, that usually don't like each other or being around each other, put them in a single environment to where both are happy. Following that with microencapsulation to where these things are smaller than human blood cells. They are able to be stable and secure. In fact, looking just at vitamin C, with this technology, 133% increased bioavailability of vitamin C that is extending out over 8 hours. And so by providing this technology, not only are we ensuring that we are getting the collagen, but we are doing everything we can to ensure the bioavailability. Now, marine collagen of itself is exceptionally bioavailable. In fact, reports suggest that it is upwards of 1.5 times more bioavailable than other collagens due to the size of it being a little bit smaller than other collagens, but also so similar to the human collagen. Coupling that with the powerful technology that we are unveiling to ensure stabilization of these products in coupling with each other, this product is absolutely revolutionary. Now, we haven't stopped there. Not only are we providing you with this powerful collagen, doing the double nutrient technology to keep it as bioavailable as possible, as long as possible, we've also provided powerful vitamins that are critical in supporting collagen production. Most people don't realize this, but vitamin C is a major cofactor in your body's collagen synthesis. That's right. Meaning collagen, as your body is making collagen, that vitamin C molecule is an important structural cofactor. It's a little bit of the mortar that holds the bricks together. So providing that vitamin C in an environment with that double nutrient technology to where it's stable longer, bioavailability inside our serum, we are giving not only the building blocks of collagen to our body exactly as it is needing, but we are also providing it with the vitamin C in a very stable environment to be that mortar. Additionally, zinc and biotin critical vitamins that are very important for hair, skin, nails, and other beauty parts of our lives. Now, we haven't stopped there. We've also combined it with a variety of other botanicals and fruits. Goji berry, chamomile, you name it. We've applied these in due to the overwhelming evidence of how these synergistically help support our body's natural and inherent beauty. In fact, some of these are very powerful antioxidants to help against the free radical damage that is so detrimental to our inherent collagen. See, so not only are we providing you the collagen to support your own collagen production, the cofactors to assist in that with the vitamin C, but we are also supporting it with other botanicals and fruits that are rich in antioxidants to help preserve the collagen that our body already has. So it's a supplementation, but also a preservation of our body's own collagen. Now with this, we are absolutely making sure that we are preventing oxidation of the fragile collagen molecule. In a world where sustainability should trump everything, we understand, and that is why we have made the packaging 100% recyclable, plastic-free, and giving it to you. But not only are we able to deliver sustainable packaging, we are also able to deliver superior packaging at protecting the product. You see, plastic actually allows a significant amount of air exchange between the product and the environment. And collagen that is so susceptible to oxidation over a year, 9 months, 2 years, that collagen is vulnerable to the oxidation of its environment. You see, the benefit of collagen is not what the amount you're putting in, it is just as important in the quality. So we are wanting to make sure that 5,000 milligrams of marine collagen is efficacious, stable, and is limited of oxidative damage by putting it in a glass container, that you are getting a product that is not only good at the time of manufacturing, at the time of shipment, but most importantly at the time of consumption. And you can feel good because this product is sustainable from the sustainable fisheries to the packaging to even the manufacturing. Being the first of its kind to have a green manufacturing facility that is carbon neutral. We understand the future of this world depends not only on the choices we're making today, but on the actions we are taking today. I am so excited for what this product can do for you. The overwhelming amount of evidence, the year that I've been here working on this, partnering with collagen global leaders and bringing this product to you, I'm excited to see the before and after results. They don't disappoint. And I'm so looking forward to the time that we can all come together once again. Thank you so much for everything you guys are doing, and I hope you enjoy this product.